How powerful is it to read books? See, there's only a few ways that we're going to learn new things, either by associations and conversations or reading books. And ultimately, when it comes to reading books, it's probably one of the most powerful, transformative things that you can do. If you're feeling stuck in your business, in your life, in your relationships, in your health, there's probably a book that can introduce a brand new conversation or a brand new narrative to you that's going to help you break through. And ultimately, if you're reading books, you're going to be more interested because you're going to have more stuff to draw from in your everyday conversations. Okay, it's just going to make you better. Okay, books are going to help you out. Leaders are readers. So what books are you reading? And here's the key. If you're not used to reading books every single day, start with something as simple as just read 10 pages of a good book every single day. The average book is about 300 pages. So if you're reading just 10 pages, you're reading about a book a month. That's 12 books a year. And guess what? Now you're more literate than practically 99.99999% of the population, because most people do not actually read. They're watching videos and stuff like that, but they're not going to get the same data, the same pull of information that they would from actually consistently reading. The other thing is, read books that are on point to your goals. So if you're in marketing or sales, you should read books on marketing and sales. If you're into personal development or coaching, you should be reading books on personal development and coaching, spirituality, health, etc. You should always read something that is on point, taking you towards your goals. And if you like to read those fantasy or fiction kinds of books or sci-fi or whatever, that's cool, okay? But don't make that the majority of your reading, because that's almost like escapism if you're not on track with hitting your goals. If you're already where you want to be in life, go ahead, read whatever the heck you want. But it's a lot better if you're not where you want to be to read books that are on point to your goals. All right. Now, some great recommendations, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, Thou Shalt Prosper. That's a fantastic book if you're struggling with money mindset and feelings of worthiness around attaining great wealth. There's many, many books. One of my favorite is How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. This book will teach you how to win friends and influence people. And no, it's not a negative thing. This is a very positive thing, because you want to be an influencer. You want to have the power of influence over people in your life. And so you also want to be able to get a lot of friends, and learning those subtle things of how to start conversations and understanding social dynamics is really, really, really powerful stuff. There's also so many programs online, and spend some time reading every day. Again, you can read vlogs, you can read from websites, you can read from magazines, but read books that are taking you in the direction of your goals and dreams. Be consistent with reading, guys. Take it seriously. Pick up a book. If you've been out in a funk and it's been a while, just start the daily habit. It only takes, they say, about 21 days to start a new habit. So start today. Grab a book. If you've never read Think and Grow Rich, it's probably one of the best books for entrepreneurs to start with. How to Win Friends and Influence People. Again, I can't recommend that one enough. And Thou Shalt Prosper is one of the best books ever written on how to get over poverty mindset and step into a mindset of real abundance and wealth creation. So again, I hope that this video is a good reminder for you. I hope this isn't the first time you've heard something like this, but it's always good to be reminded. I know that I need to be reminded about these things as well. So have an amazing day. And I'm working with a company. It's called Affiliate Nation. What Affiliate Nation does is we do digital franchise. We actually help everyday people or startup entrepreneurs, or even people who've been in the industry for a long time, launch what's called digital franchises. If you're tired of looking for products, if you're tired of trying to build out the systems and doing it all on your own, and if you're tired of trying to close all the sales, we have a business in a box, a full-on digital franchise where we have a proven products, proven brands, proven systems, automated systems, sales teams, laser targeted traffic. We have a whole thing built around this. It is like nothing you've ever seen before. And there's probably a link around here that you want to click to learn more about digital franchises and how we can help you start a high ticket, means big commissions, digital franchise business in the next 72 hours. Go ahead, click the link, have an amazing day, and make sure you're reading a good book.